Hello everyone. Today we are going to see opening in a company called Appasamy Associates. Here we have referred this posting through LinkedIn. So they are acquiring field service engineers with a qualification of up to btech or diploma in triple ECU or related to medical electronics, biomedical with 1 or 2 years experience. So the location of this job role will be in Delhi or Jodhpur, Goa. So whoever would like to apply for this job roles can apply, send a mail to wazir.alam@appasamy.com, or I can send it through in the mobile 8807725753. So this is being referred uh, only through the LinkedIn. So the thing is, like, since it is posted in LinkedIn, so we thought it is a public forum. So we are announcing, or we are referring to that for the freshers or the experienced persons. This is for the information. Thank you.